Hi everyone, welcome to Sammy's Cakery. I'm Samantha and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick Oreo cookie brownie in a mug. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 350 grams of chopped dark chocolate and 3 tablespoons of milk. You want to microwave that for 30 to 35 seconds till nice and smooth. Once that is done, add 1 tablespoon caster sugar, half a tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Mix that well till no lumps remain. Now this is my favorite part. Add a few more crushed Oreo cookies to the mix and give that a good stir. By the way, if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon to get weekly notifications of our new videos. Once you have mixed that really nice and well, transfer the batter to a microwave safe mug, and you could also add some more chopped Oreos on top. Microwave for 1 minute to 10 seconds till the top of the surface looks done. And there you have your Oreo cookie brownie in a mug. Once cool, you can add some whipped cream like I did or your favorite ice cream flavor. Garnish with some more crushed Oreo cookies on top. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and leave us a comment letting us know how you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.